Hi there makers, and welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is something very quick and very simple. We're going to be making a crochet infinity scarf. Of course, it uses that very favorite stitch of ours, which is that half double slip stitch. I'm not going to show how to do this in this tutorial since I did have a little accident. I broke my camera stand, so I've got my phone in one hand and the ring light in the other, so I cannot have both hands on camera. However, I'm going to link you to a video where I showed you how to do this, and if you'd like the PDF version of this, we're running sales in both our shops, which is the Etsy store and our new shop Rebla, so you can get this pattern for as low as $1. So be sure to find those link in the description box below. But otherwise, I'm just going to show you how to quickly get this done, because this is literally two-step crochet infinity scarf. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So I have this link down below, but you're going to scroll down and you're going to find this lovely worsted weight yarn, which is only available for $4.99. And of course a 5mm crochet hook, yarn needle, and a pair of scissors. So with your 5.5 and worsted weight yarn, you want to make a slip knot and chain 201. So now you want to turn that chain, and into the back bumps of the chain you want to work yarn over or half double slip stitches. To learn how to do this, watch this video that I've linked. At the end of that row, you're going to chain one, turn, and work into the back loops only the same yarn over slip stitches. And so you're going to work the yarn over or half double slip stitches for as long as you want, or if you want to do like I did, until you have about 18 or 20 rows. So once you're done, you want to bring the two ends together like so. Grab your yarn needle and close both sides, just like I did. And just like that, your scarf is absolutely done. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, guys, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. And as usual, there's always a free written pattern available on our blog, so be sure to check that out, together with other lovely, awesome free patterns that are perfect for the cold weathers that are about to start. So until next time, or until I get my new ring light, I will see you in a bit. Happy crafting!